Yo, what go on my people when I deal with? Watch out, man, I don't know. You know, Clarendon. You see me? I don't care hear me right now, sign us. I deal with me away. You understand? I just have a time and it just come down for me and deal with me away, man. You see me? So, in general, they asked a while ago, say, yo, oh, sign us about you? Alright, hold on there. You see me? I'm just seeing gone over the bush over here, so. I don't know where I'm getting. Where you think I'm get, General? Eh?
I don't know what kind of bush I'm getting.
You know what kind of bush? We see what go on still, because you say remedy there. You see country?
See my coming.
You might come with it?
Yeah.
Alright, today, man.
Just rub it up and go and smell.
What kind of bush is that on the boss?
Guinean.
Guinean, yeah.
How far more? Where are they?
Guinean.
I know the smell, you know.
Rub up your smell. Just rub up it.
Rub it up, so.
Rub it, man.
Alright, so I get some Guinean bush. I'm say good for sinus.
Guinean weed.
Guinean weed. Alright, I'm say rub it up. I smell it. I'm good. I don't know people at country you find the natural herbs and remedies them, you know, man. You understand?
I get the ashes so tight.
I don't really get nothing still, man. If I chew my sign or something, nah.
You don't smell it, man. Squeeze up it somewhere, man. So rub up it, and smell it.
And the root changa though.
What if you all wash off the root and beat up it and put it all in a raw rum there?
Yeah.
And more time you take all one sniff out of it.
Yeah.
If you so quick you get relief, brother.
Yeah.
No, nobody on that. I tell you.
How come I shut that cut, bro?
You know, customer.
Birds inside us and mash him up, man.
Yeah, man.
But the Guinean weed birds, I tell you that wicked.
Yeah.
I fear this, yeah. So you couldn't get that water. Only by so. Why am I telling you about?
Don't worry about that, man. Somebody have to know something, you know.
And then now, you see this here a fire, you know.
That's how you want to say.
And you put water in it, a coal you put inside of you know.
Yeah.
You know that you don't for your work.
Don't worry about that, man. You are worried about ranking them right now, you know.
Yeah. Go and drink it.
Hello.
Yeah, sir.
Over here, I'm going to go up in here. Up your house.
Oh, yeah, the buy house?
No, man.
Oh, it's not like you buy house now.
What go on, daddy?
Smokers, you must God.
You know, some girl, Yotan, Saturday. See? So, boom, vehicle gallant. Boom, down one woman in front, down one woman sit down beside me in the back. You hear me, Jogo?
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Yeah, boom, down here. The man will pick up one next man now, beside that woman in the front. Yeah, woman will tell the man, say, make sure him know say man beard.
Make sure you know same beard.
Yeah,
That's
that
what I mean
means
by
there's somebody where two of them know. Man for beard, brother.
Kind of like. Yeah, it's
The
a
man knows
Guinean.
say no love beard.
Between
That two man know about him, not joke.
How can I
Say no
leave
love
it,
beard. Yeah.
Ganja?
That's good. If you work on funny children, you come and show something them. You ain't clean for a long time.
Yeah,
You know me, uncle, you ain't clean.
Yeah, man.
Then you work on children, you come and show you for them.
With the Guinean?
I'm going to sip it. Blood
You stay there.
Alright, people, so you don't know. In general, say it's a ganja leaf, the Guinean leaf. You see me? Rub it up, chew in a cup, and drink it same way. Nothing I gotta do me.
What to do?
Okay.
Tap sitting fan there, sign us and mash you up.
Yeah.
Yeah, see that 29 cups here, we eat 9 cups.
Yeah, I first me I see that, you know. I see what going on.
29 cups, man. A piece of blood clot, fat blood, to that.
Yeah. I just drink it same way. Alright, let's see what people you don't know, you know, man.
And that you should not drink now.
Eh?
Ice
Ice
cream,
cream,
you not trouble. You are the rice. You sign us a trouble, you know, you are the rice.
Why?
Take out the ice out the market, you don't want no ice. Because you sign us a trouble, you don't want no cold.
Yeah, so I have to throw no trace or nothing on this.
No, look at it.
Yeah.
Drink it.
See you, man, son.
Yeah.
Shake up
Just shake it up.
You just sip in it. Just go and
You
sip.
sip. Okay.
You're not in no rush to do much.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you the truth.
Alright, people, so you don't know. General, them say, show a little something on it, sip it. You see me? I need to take care of sinus. Boy, how the mind just take it away and then not come back.
And then you see, look into your drink that I see you see you say you're not talking, look into your drink that if I different blowers speech about that. Different talk about that.
Different type of talk?
I feel it.
I drink it.
Yeah. Alright, I see what I'm going people. So
the man you know he said out there. Something there.
No,
yeah,
but you can mix
tea in
a mixture when you see Guinean weed and a dog blood.
Alright. Yeah man, you see blood class in the Ghanaian State Club.
State Club.
State Club, and then jam the line. I want to wait for this whole bush that you can think of. And when you piss the next man, you smell it. When you drink it tonight. Yeah man, smell the bush, the flavor of the bush now, you piss.
Yeah, my boss.
Where I say stiff food? There man, there I want it.
Where must say OJ?
Next one down there, I call him under cocky. All four girls in my top one time. Next one, I come here, I call him under cocky.
Under cocky?
Yes, I.
Because of 4 girls.
I be at them listening though.
Yeah.
I said that I live with girl, but I'm a female woman. And I said that a woman just like a whole woman, but a man they fuck. Yeah, man. Big age is a woman though.
So what could you call him, sir? Stiffy?
No young boy, I'm not doing that dude. Must stay fully up. Young kid boy.
Yo, people, I them think of a like country, you know, I tell you, man, say country. Yeah.
Must it.
Must it, good man. That the girl them want, you know, they know that already.
And them I see them a protein something where they have a grow pitting nowadays. Where you can't see a pitting too.
Yeah.
What you talk
True.
about? True. And them big man say, oh, me must stand them off for them bike car come and see pitting. Because when you see them can jump and full of energy, you want some of that.
So you thought the formula?
Everything with them bike coming here, the big man say, I want some of it. So long as you pitting, you want some of it. Yeah, man. Because them full of energy.
Alright.
Alright. That's our boy.
That's true, man.
Right now, last week I cut one of the cement bucket, but I chew me not weed through it, I just cut that time. But the sorrel I come on, you know.
Yeah.
So I cut sorrel good. Good man. When I'm not eating no brother.
True, man, you have to do it for early.
Farming the thing, man.
I know, so if you tell the truth though, the farming thing are kind of dead out.
I don't know about it, I'm not a farmer.
And I be an import, them are import and certain.
Farm,
oh yeah, the cocoa or that
shit.
shit.
That. You know, on top farm, brother.
Yes.
I have to do something. I have to do something. Kevin will do something nowadays.
Yeah.
Remember that, and that song called necessary.
Pretty and green, man.
But most, so I do my place. So I am that answer. I do my place good, man. Then I song high grade. I grew up in a wood lad.
Yeah.
And then right.
But what I say though, I realize that the farming thing in Jamaica, I know where it used to be. Most of the things them are import and
yeah.
You get what I say? The man them now farm up the places, like the younger youth them now really take on the farming. Right. I see man never know say a thief.
Actually I'm going man live in a shop. I can tell you what I tell you about man there. And thief man. Go on like in junkie all
the farming thing, it's a dead out.
Yeah.
You see me realize say, yeah man, each year man
that's not a good thing.
A less farmer each year, you see me?
That I see was some kind of time man all 4 years group now work, nothing now go on again.
Yeah.
Because most of the youth them even for years group, they're not going to bush. Them not in it. And I like when we grow up to follow our father go bush till we start learning how to have full like farm and coming up till we in a thing now see how we are. Now youth not there we are following up here.
So why you think them now follow?
Well, you have to do with them parents, you know. Because growing up, our parents them now left in our house and go to church, you know. Everybody have to go to church. You understand? Nowadays the people left the youth them in the house and then go to church or left them go to ball field or go to river or something. You understand me? Or in them big phone.
Yeah.
You know?
I know that one.
That I go on now. You see me? So, you know, we'll get no better. So if parents them go there, youth them.
Be it ship them a ship in certain food and I go to supermarket, you have to import it.
They look fast thing, brother. They look fast thing, they call them fandangles.
Yeah.
You eat them, I just some big belly you see before you saw. Because the thing not natural. You see me I say?
Yeah, true.
You all want to go through your doorway and can't go through it. You have to go lick out one part. That's all. After a while you go through your place. You know what I mean? You understand me I say? Yeah, because the thing not natural.
Not at all. True.
It come and just bang you up. It don't come and work in your body and relief back.
Yeah.
It just there bang you up.
Months,
Bang you up. Bang you up. It's like your cock. Them not something not a good something. No kill them and kill them, man.
And that's why most people fly out, you know. And go spend a couple of time and come back in and see them put on much weight because the food just
no, it's just my food. The food did not so much chemical. I keep it much years because the food 500 years ago them and empty there, you know. And so America running, you know.
You think so?
What you say, brother? Or if you have fresh food and storage, if you put in the fresh one, and we have the old one for a long time, no, it have to eat.
True.
And them said fresh same way. Fresh
Seem like supermarket, man, and get certain things that will come up before then.
Yeah. And most of the supermarket them there where I sell our American things them. How long man they have it before them send here?
True, that too.
How much month they pan see?
Before you reach her.
Before you reach her.
3 months and then sitting there.
Before you reach her and then you reach her. In a storage they tell them go clear them thing. Come and feed them place in a storage the same way and sell a little liquor. You understand me?
I know that, true.
All of those are junk, brother. You have to have big belly if you follow out them at people listen. Go there when them are deal with.
More wife problem. I say it tough. More like you. More wife problem. How we get them a big chain around the neck? Yeah? A rich boy, you know? Yo, come here, sir. Yeah, go on. Let me see the chain. Are them big chain they have here? Yeah. Give me a girl, man. Yo, see your money that shut your back pocket there. See money a lot. Forward, man. Forward, man. Seriously, forward, man. We don't get money that shit, man. Forward, seriously, man. Come drink a beer, brother. We are buying a beer, man. Come in, man. Wait, water there. Auntie, pass water. Wait up, brother. Come on. Say you want beer. Say you want beer. Oh, boy, come here. Check out, boy. Say you want beer. Are you see so?
You there in the country, I know, I call it. Are you there on the front? You want a piece of jackfruit, you have to go buy it from somebody. You want one breadfruit, you probably have to buy it from somebody. Or a piece of yam, or a piece of cane, just referring.
Yeah.
You there in the country, you get the thing fresh off by the thing, them brother.
Right, that's so.
Yeah. Fresh. You just go pick your thing when you want it to use. All this is why I come from the road. Me and a virgin and a woman we stop by to eat, the woman a cook. The man just go up on a banana tree and cut off one banana.
And just cook it same place.
Yeah, and banana left on tree same way for when you ready again. You understand? And nothing lean up inside the kitchen. Did they steal out? You understand me?
Yeah.
No man, I them wear the bed in a fresh thing. Yeah, Barrington leave it tell you man. Fresh breeze up here so.
True. Cause what you know what you say when I at town, Cyrus bad my whole heap.
And if you must smell breeze at town, cause one time you smell the breeze, you know. You have to wake up early morning.
Yeah.
But when you smell town breeze, it going stink. You have to stagnant.
Cause me there
You in a country, a fresh air, you can smell the air.
Yeah.
You understand me? A so country thing, go brother.
Me there at town, man, every minute.
And long as the day is again, you never smell the air. Unless a stinkness blow past you.
So unless I want to go forward,
yeah.
Like that. Yeah, man, that's true.
But early in the morning, you can smell the air. Hi.
Auntie.
I really thought, man, people country here and normal here, man, a different thing. So when I there at Kingston, I sinus bad, I'm a whole heap. I come to country, I just a one time and I eat that, isn't it? So I tell you, man, country at the right place with them, man.
I tell you that.
Isn't me, everything natural, man, you know what I mean? Yeah, and the food natural to you, man, so you can just go to the door, cut piece of banana and just
anything you want. If I know you want the cane feed, you can cut piece of cane right now. You understand me?
True.
That's how country run. You don't have to eat one of the 40 week.
You go.
In the country, you can go catch your fresh fish them. Because man, you see yourself fish, you know.
Yeah.
Anytime you see come out and I tell you about fresh fish, you know. Sometimes I've been fish for a week before last, you know.
I mean, it's like such a little thing, man.